And when the years have come and gone, your lessons live, they carry on. For every child who learns to soar, your light will shine forevermore. You taught me to fly, you opened my eyes, gave me the strength to reach the skies. Your spirit will stay, your love will remain, forever a guide through joy and through pain. You taught me to fly. Yes, you taught me to fly.